So hello my dear student. So today we'll discuss exercise 8.3 and 8.4. So before studying exercise 8.3, we'll try to understand some terms related to that is profit and loss. Okay. So related to these terms, we have cost price and selling price. So we'll try to understand few formulas and then we'll try to apply in exercise 8.3. Okay. So first we have profit and loss. So what is profit? What is profit? Suppose you are buying something from the market at rupees 100, okay, at rupees 100. This is the cost price, okay. And if you are selling it at rupees 120, in that case, the selling price is greater than the cost price. It means you are having some profit. What is the profit? Profit is rupees 20. So in this case, we can say that profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, mean 120 minus 100 is equals to 20 rupees. So what is the profit? Profit is equals to 20. So here we will write profit, all the terms related to profit. Okay, if selling price is greater than the cost price, then we have a profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, fine. Next we have to find the profit percent. There is another formula. There is another formula, profit percent. Suppose you want to find the profit percent. So for that we have formula profit by cost price. We will always compare with the cost price. Okay. And since you are converting it into percentage, we have to multiply by 100. So this is the formula of profit percent. Okay. Next we have selling price. There is another formula, selling price. If you have a profit percent, suppose you got some profit, okay, profit percent. To find the selling price, there is another formula. The formula is selling price is equals to 100 plus profit percent divide by 100 into cost price. So these are the formula we will be using in exercise 8.3. Similarly, for loss, when do you have loss? If cost price is greater than the selling price, suppose you are buying something at rupees 100 and you are selling it for rupees 80, it means you are having a loss of how much rupees? 20 rupees. So if the cost price is greater than selling price, then we have loss. The loss is equals to CP minus SP. SP means selling price. So 100 minus 80, that is 20. So we have a loss of 20 rupees. Okay. So if cost price is greater than the selling price, we have a loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. Now to find the loss percent, we have a formula, that is loss percent is equals to loss by cost price. We will always compare it with the cost price. Since it is percentage, so you have to multiply by 100. Okay. And in this case, what is the formula for selling price? If there is a loss percent, then the formula for selling price is 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into divide by 100 into CP. Okay. So in this case, you can find the selling price in case you have a loss in some item. Okay. Now we'll apply all this formula in this exercise. So we'll move to the first exercise, exercise 8.3. So find gain or loss percent when cost price is 300 and selling price is 400. Gain mean profit. Okay. You have to find the profit percent or loss percent when cost price is 300. Okay. The first question is given, cost price is given rupees 300 and selling price is given rupees 400. Okay. So now you see here, which one is greater here? Selling price is greater than the cost price. So selling price is greater than the cost price. So in this case, if the selling price is more, then we have profit, or you can say gain. So what is the profit? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. So what is selling price? 400 minus 300. So you have a profit of rupees 100. Profit of rupees 100. Okay. Now you have to find the profit percent. Profit percent. Gain or profit, same thing. So profit percent. What is profit percent? Profit equals to profit by CP into 100. So it will be converted into percentage. So what is the profit? Profit is 100. What is the cost price? Cost price is 300 into 100. So this 0 will get cancelled. So 100 divided by 3, that is 33.33, or you can write 33 1 by 3. Okay, this much percent. I know what is the answer. Okay, so 33.3% or 33 1 by 3. See, if you divide it by 3, what you will get? 3 3 are 9, 1 0, 3 3 are 9, 1. So you can write 1 by 3 or 33.3%. Okay, clear? So next we have cost price is given 250 and the selling price is given 225. Okay, Roman number 2. Cost price is given rupees 250 and selling price is given rupees 225. So in this case, which one is greater? Cost price is greater than selling price. So if cost price is greater than the selling price, there is loss or gain? There is loss. So loss. So what is the loss? CP minus SP. So CP is rupees 250 minus 225. So what is the loss? 25 rupees. So loss of how much rupees? 25 rupees. So to find the loss percent, we'll use the formula loss by CP into 100. So this will become loss is 25 and cost price is 250 into 100. So 1 0 will get cancelled. 25 will get cancelled. What is the loss? 10% loss. There is a loss of rupees, or sorry, there is a loss of 10%. Okay, in rupees, if you see, it is 25 rupees, and if you see in percentage, it will be 10%. Okay. Next, Roman number 3, you try to do by yourself. Question number 2. We'll see question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2. Question number 2 is given, find cost price when selling price is 742 and gain percent is 6%. Okay. Selling price is given rupees 742 and gain is given, gain percent is given 6%. So what is the cost price? So we'll be applying the same formula. We can apply the same formula. Okay. So gain percent is given. Here I have given you a formula 100 plus profit percent or gain percent, same thing. Okay, gain percent divided by 100 into CP. You can apply this formula also. You have to find the cost price, right? So you can directly, by applying this formula, you can directly find the cost price. Or else another formula we have, keep this cost price. If you bring it the other side, it will become SP into 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent. This is another formula for cost price. This formula we have derived it from here itself. Okay. So what is the cost price? Cost price is equals to selling price into 100 and 100 plus gain percent. Okay, this is the formula. So if you apply the value here, you will get the cost price directly. So what is the selling price? 742 into 100 and 100 plus what is the gain percent? Gain percent is given 6. Okay, so it will become 742 into 100 divided by 106. It is 106. So what you will get? Can you cancel? If you cancel by 2, it will become 53. 2, this is 50. Can you directly cancel it? Let me see it. 742 divided by 53. 1s are 53. This will be 2, 1, 2. 5 3s are 15. Can you cancel it? 2, 1, 2. 4 5s are 20. Yes. 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 20. 21. So if you cancel it, you will get 14. So 14 into 50. If you multiply, 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Rupees 700. What was the cost price? Cost price is rupees 700. Okay. If you apply this formula, you can directly find the cost price. Okay. We have derived it from the previous formula, this one. Clear? Next, again we have the selling price is given 1056 and the loss. In this case, if it is loss, it will be minus. If it is loss, it will be minus. Question number 2. Selling price is given rupees 1056 and loss percent is given 12%. Okay. So we will be applying directly the formula. So for the cost price, it is selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. In case of gain, we will add it, and in case of loss, we will subtract it. Okay. So what is the selling price? Selling price is given 1056 into 100 divided by 100 minus what is the loss percent? Loss percent is 12. So 1056 into 100 divided by, if you subtract it, you will get 88. Okay. So if you cancel it by 2, it will become 44. This will become 40. Again, if you cancel by 2, it will become 22, and this will become 25. Again, can you cancel it? Let me see. Can you cancel it directly? 5 6 divided by 22. 5 4 times. This will become 88. So this will become 7 2. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. This will be 4 2s are 8. This will become 9. This is 1. 6. Can you divide it? How many times 6? 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 6 2s are 12. No, 8. 8 2s are 16. 1 in hand. 6 2s are 17. So it will, if you cancel it, you will get how much? 48. So 48 into 25. So if you multiply it, what you will get? If you multiply 48 into 25, 48 into 25, what you will get? 1200 rupees. What was the cost price? The cost price was 1200 rupees, and he is selling at rupees 1056 rupees. So there is a loss of how much percent? 12%. Okay. Same formula you can apply it here. Okay. So next question you do by yourself. Find the selling price when cost price is given and gain is given. So question number 3. Cost price is given rupees 875 and gain is given rupees 5%. So I told you what is the formula? Selling price equals to 100 plus gain or profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So 100 plus gain, what is the gain? 5 divided by 100 into, this is 875. So let me see, 105 divided by 100 into 875. So if you cancel by 5 how many times? 5 into 25, 21. Again 5 4s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 37, 5 7s are, and 5 5s are. So what you will get? 21 into 175 divided by 4. So if you multiply it, what you will get? 21 into 175 is equals to 3675 divided by 4. Okay, divide by 4. So what you will get? Divide by 4. So 918.75 rupees. What is the selling price? What was the cost price? Cost price was 875, and if you are getting a profit of 5%, then what will be the selling price? 918.75. 918.75. Is it the correct answer? Question number. This is question number 3, right? Question number 3. Let me check the answer. 918.75. That's the correct answer. Okay. So by applying this formula, you can directly get the selling price. Okay. There are other formula also you can find in the textbook, but if you apply this formula, you will get directly the selling price or the cost price. Clear? Next, let me try question number 2. There is a profit of or cost price is given rupees 450, and the loss percent is given 15%. So in this case, in case of selling price, it will in case of loss, it will be 100 minus loss percent. 100 minus loss percent, divide by 100 into CP. So 100 minus, what is the loss percent? Loss percent is 15, divide by 100 into 450. So this will become 85 divided by 100 into 450. So this will get cancelled. If you divide, okay, let me multiply it directly. So if you multiply, what you will get? 85 into 45. It will be 3825 divided by 10. So if you divide it, you will get 382.5 rupees. So what is the selling price? What was the cost price? 450 rupees. And he is selling at a loss of 15%. Then he have to sell at 382.5 rupees. 382. How much rupees? 5 rupees. 382.5 rupees. Okay, correct. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 4. Cost of an item is 650 rupees. It was sold at a profit of 12%. So find the selling price. So cost price is given already. Cost price is given rupees 650. And profit is given 12%. So what will be the selling price? Directly apply the formula. 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP. So 100 plus profit is 12 divided by 100 multiply by cost price. Cost price is given 650. So if you multiply this, what you will get? 112 divided by 100 into 650. So 10 will get cancelled. So if you multiply, okay, 5, how many times? 5, 13s are 5, 2s are. So again, if you cancel it, you will get 56. So 56 into 13. So what you will get? Just multiply it. 56 into 56 multiplied by 13. What you will get? 728 rupees. How much rupees? 728 rupees. Okay. Is it the correct answer? 728 rupees. Correct. Clear? You can apply this formula and find the selling price if the cost price and the profit percent is given. Okay. Next, question number 7. Same purchased 120 pencil at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil. Okay. He sold 72 of them at the rate of 2.5 per pencil and the remaining at the rate of 3 per pencil. Find his profit or loss percent. Okay, same purchase 120 pencil at a cost at a rate of 2 per pencil. Okay. So first we'll write number of pencil is how much? 120 and cost of one pencil is equals to rupees 2. So what is the total cost price? 120 into 2, how much rupees? 240 rupees. So total cost price is 240 rupees. Okay. Now he is selling how many? 72 at the rate of 2.5 per pencil and the remaining at the rate of 3 per pencil. Okay. So here what we will do? We'll write case 1. Selling price of one pencil is rupees how much? 2.5 rupees. Cost price of one pencil is 2.5 rupees. So how many he is selling? Selling price of 72 pencil. What is the cost? 2.5 into 72. So if you multiply, what you will get? What you will get? 72 into 2.5. You will get 180 rupees. By selling 72 pencil, he already received how much rupees? 180. Now total how many pencil was there? 120 pencil. So minus 72. If you minus 72, how many pencil are left? There are 8 and this will become 11, 4. Is it? 48 pencil are left. Okay. Now case 2. Selling price of how many? One pencil is rupees 3 and selling price of how many pencil are left? 48 pencil are left. Okay. Pencil is equals to rupees 3 into 48. So how much it will be? 3 into 48. You will get 144. How much rupees? 144 rupees. Now let me see what is the total cost price. What is the total cost price? Oh, sorry, for total selling price. Total selling price. So in the first case he sell for 180 rupees and in the second case 144. So total it will become 482 324 rupees. He is selling all the pencil at rupees 324 rupees. He bought it for 240 rupees and he sold them at 324 rupees. So selling price is greater than the cost price. So here you have to find the profit or loss percent. Okay. So there is a profit. So selling price is greater than cost price. So profit. What is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. So what is the total selling price? Total selling price is 324. Total cost price is 240. So if you subtract, what you will get? 4. This will be 8. 84 rupees. Is it 84 rupees? Yes, 84 rupees. 4, 12. Is it correct? 4, 8, 12, and 3. 84 rupees. He got a profit of how much rupees? 84 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find the profit percent. So to find the profit percent, we have the formula profit percent is equals to profit by CP into 100. So it will be converted into percentage. What is the profit? Profit is 84 rupees. Cost price is 240 rupees multiplied by 100. So if you cancel it, 1 0 will get cancelled. Can you cancel? 12, this will become 42. Again 2, this will become 6, this will become 5, right? 2 5s are 2, 6 are 12, 6, how many times? 7. So how much percent? 35% profit. He got a profit of how much rupees? 35%. Let me check the answer. Answer is question number, this is question number 6, right? This is question number 6 or 7. Okay, I skipped question number 5 and 6. I skipped question number 5 and 6, right? I directly moved to question number 7. Okay, let me see the question number 7. Question number 7 is 35%. That's correct. Question number 6, 5 and 6. Calculate the profit percent or loss percent if CP is 2700 and selling price is 2400. Okay, that is easy. A book was sold for rupees 550 rupees at a profit of 10%. What was its cost price? Okay, similar question. Okay, let me do question number 5 again. Calculate the profit percent or the loss percent if CP is given rupees 2700 and selling price is given rupees 2400. So cost price is greater than the selling price, so it will be loss. So cost price is greater than the selling price, so there will be a loss. So what is the loss? CP minus SP. CP is given rupees 2700 and this is given 2400. If you subtract, you will get rupees how much? 300 loss. What is the loss? Loss is 300. But you have to find the loss percent. Loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. Loss is 300. Cost price is 2700 multiplied by 100. 2 0 will get cancelled. So 3 how many time? 3 9 are 300. So 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9. What you will get? What will be the answer? 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9. It will be 11 1 by 9%. See here, if you divide 1s are 9, again 1s are 9. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So it will become 1 by 9. Okay, 11 1 by 9%. Clear? Question number 6. A book was sold for rupees 550 at a profit of 10%. What was its cost price? You can find it. You try to apply the cost price formula. Okay, what was the cost price formula? Cost price is equals to 100. It is SP into 100 divided by there is a profit, so 100 plus profit. You apply this formula, you will get question number 6. Moving to the next question, question number 8. Mike sold 2 horses for rupees 1200 each. On one he gained 25% and on the other he lost 25%. Find his total gain or loss. Okay, let me find it out. The cost price of sold. This is selling price. Mike sold 2 horses for rupees 1200 each. One he gained 25%, on the other he find his total gain or loss. So you have to find the cost price. Okay, you have to find the cost price. So here also we will use case 1 or first horse. First horse. What is the selling price? Selling price is given rupees 12,000. 12,000 each. Makes two horses for 12,000 each. So the first horse, its selling price is 1200 or 12,000, and profit equals to how much? 25%. So what is the formula for cost price? Cost price is 100 into SP, or SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent. Is it? So selling price is given 12,000 multiplied by 100, yeah, 100 plus 25. So what you will get? 12,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 125. So with what number can you cancel it? 5 2 is 525, 520. Again 5 5 is 5 4 is. You can cancel it. 5 how many times? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, and here 2 0. 5 so 5 2s are, sorry, 24. 5 2s are 10 and 240. Okay. So if you multiply it, how much you will get? 0 0 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. 9,600. Is it cost price? So he bought it for rupees 9,600 rupees, and he sold at a profit of 25%. So he sold it for rupees how much? 12,000 rupees. Okay. Now we'll see the case 2. In the case 2, it is a loss of 25%. Let me do it here. Case 2, or second horse. Second horse. Here also selling price is given same 12,000 rupees, and loss percent is given how much? 25%. So what is the cost price? So 100 into SP, or SP into 100, and here 100 minus loss. In case of loss, we will be applying minus. So 100 multiplied by 12,000, 100 minus 25. So it will become 100 into 12,000 divided by 75. So if you cancel by 5, it will become 5 1s are 15, and 5 it will become 20. Again if you cancel by 5, 5 4s are 5 3s are 3 4s are. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 4 4s are 16,000 rupees. He bought it for 16,000 rupees, and he sold it for rupees 12,000. So there is a loss of how much percent? 12%. Now we'll see the total selling price and the total cost price. After that we can decide. Now total selling price, both are rupees 12,000, right? 12,000 plus 12,000. So it will become rupees 24,000. After selling both the horses, he gained how much rupees? 24,000 rupees. Now total cost price. In the first case, he got a profit. So in the first case, the cost price was 9,600 rupees. And in the second case, it is 16,000 rupees. So it will become 6 plus 15, and this is 25600. Is it 25600? So cost price is more than the selling price. So in this case, cost price is more than the selling price, then there is a loss. Okay, so there is a loss. So here we will write cost price is greater than the selling price. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So total cost price is 25600 minus Total selling price is 24,000. So if you subtract, you will get 1600. Is it 1600? 006 and here 1600 rupees loss. There is a loss of 1600 rupees. You have to convert into percentage. Let me check it. 8.3 question number. You have to find question number 8. In the answer, it is given no loss or gain. That's wrong. That's totally wrong. There is a loss of how much? 1600 rupees. Okay. In the answer, it is given wrong. No loss or no gain. Okay. The answer is given wrong. So this will be the answer. There is a loss of how much rupees? 1600 rupees loss. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 9. A table set was bought for rupees 3,600 rupees and 200 was spent on transportation and 800 on repair. It was sold at a loss of 10%. So find the selling price of the table. Okay. Question number 9. Initial cost price. How much rupees? 3,600 rupees. Transportation, how much rupees? Transportation rupees 200. Then repairing rupees 800. So total cost price. So what is the total cost price? If you add all this, what you will get? This will be 1000. So 4600. Total cost price is 4600 rupees. And he sold it at a loss of 10%. So what is the loss percent? Loss percent is given 10. So what will be the selling price? This is the cost price. Yes. What is the selling price? So selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. So 100 minus what is the loss? 10% divided by 100 into cost price is given 4600 rupees. So this will become 90 by 100 into 4600. 20 will get cancelled. So 90 into 46. 90 into 46. 90 multiplied by 46. How much rupees? 41 rupees. 4140. So selling price is 4140. Definitely it will be less, right? Because there is a loss of 10%. 4600 is the total cost price and the loss percentage is given 10. So the selling price is 4140. Let me check the answer. 8.3 question 4140, correct? Okay. I have took the photo of all the answers. Okay, so I am looking it here. Next, question number 10. Question number 10 is given. A bedsheet was sold for rupees 3,450, thereby gaining a 15%. Find the cost price. Simple, you can do it. Arun bought a book shelf for 1,620 and sold it at a profit of 12%. So find the selling price. Simple, you can do it. By selling a camera for rupees 2,400, Ron lost 4%. At what price must he sell it to gain 12%? Okay, this is an important question. Question number 12. By selling a camera for rupees 2,400, Ron lost how much? 4%. So selling price is given rupees 2,400. So loss percent is loss percent is given 4. Loss percent is given, or loss equals to 4%. You can write in that form also. So what is the cost price? We have to find the cost price. So selling price multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. So selling price is given 2400 multiplied by 100 divided by 100 minus loss is 4. So 2400 multiplied by 100 divided by 96. Can you cancel it? If you divide by 2, it will become 48, and again this will become 50. Again divide 24, this will become 25. 24 1, this is multiplied by 100. So what is the cost price? 25 into 100 is rupees 2500 rupees. So actual cost price was 2500 rupees and he sold it at rupees 2400. So there is a loss of 4%. Now he want to gain 12%. At what price he should have to he should sell it? Okay. So we already got the cost price. We'll be applying this one. This is the cost price. Okay. Now he want to gain a profit of how much percent? Profit or gain? Profit or gain, same thing. Profit of how much? 12%. He want 12% profit. So at what price he have to sell it? Selling price is 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 multiplied by CP. So 100 plus profit is 12 divided by 100 into CP is 2500. So this will become 112 divided by 100 in 2500. So this will get cancelled. So 112 into 25. 112 multiplied by 25. How much rupees? Rupees 2800. If he is selling at rupees 2800, then in that case he will gain a profit of how much rupees? Profit of 12%. Okay, clear? So in this case what we did, first the selling price is given, loss is given. First we will find the cost price and then we will apply that cost price in the next case. Okay, in the next case cost price is given, in the next case you have to find the selling price. Okay, by selling a stool for 340, a carpenter lost 32%. How much percent would he gain or loss by selling it? 360. 360. Okay, this also you try to do by yourself, similar type of question. Okay, fine. By selling a stool for 340, lost 32%. So first you have to find the cost price. Okay, then how much percent would he gain or loss by selling it? 360. First you find the cost price. From here you will get the cost price and here is the selling price. So how much profit is there? So you just subtract it, you see whether cost price is greater or selling price is greater. By comparing that you can find the loss or the profit. Okay, at what percent? How much percent? Then you try to find the gain or loss percent. Okay, fine. Next we will start exercise 8.4. So before that we have to understand some formula related to that. That is simple interest. What is simple interest? Is there any other formula? Only simple interest. Okay, simple interest means suppose you are depositing some amount in the bank. Suppose you are submitting 1000 rupees in the bank and the bank is giving you this is the principal. Suppose the bank is giving 10% interest, and if you are keeping that amount in the bank for 5 years, time equals to 5 years, then after 5 years how much interest you will get extra? So in that case we can find simple interest by applying the formula P into R into T by 100. So what is the principal here? 1000 rupees, rate is 10 and time is given 5. So if you cancel it, what you will get? You will get extra how much? 500 rupees. So if you deposit 1000 rupees in the bank, then after 5 years you will get extra how much rupees? 500 rupees as a interest. So total amount in return you will get, total amount you will get is principal plus simple interest. So here 1000 plus 500, that is 1500 rupees. After 5 years you will get how much rupees? 1500 rupees in return. Okay. So here we will be applying this formula, simple interest and amount. Amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. P is principal, R is rate of interest, T is the time, and here SI is simple interest, A is amount. Okay. So we will apply this formula in exercise 8.4. Okay. So we will start the exercise. Exercise 8.4. Okay. So the first question is given, selling simple interest is given 1900, rate of interest is given 12, time is given. So you have to find the principal. Okay. So here simple interest is given rupees 1920, rate of interest is given 12% and time is given 2 years. Okay. So you can use this formula only, simple interest equals to P multiplied by R into T divided by 100. You can apply this formula. By using this formula only you can find it. Okay. Or else there is a formula for to find the principal, that is if you bring it to the other side it will become 100 and here R into T. This is the direct formula to find the principal. Okay. So simple interest is given 1920 multiplied by 100 divided by rate of interest is 12 and time is given 2 years. So if you cancel it, what you will get here? 9 0 18 6, and you can directly cancel it. How many time? It will be 8. 8 2 are 16, 8 1 are 8, 80. Okay, you can directly cancel it. So 80 into 100, it will become 8000 rupees. So what is the principal? Principal is 8000 rupees. Okay. Next one is same. Next one you can do by yourself. Same, you can use this formula. By using this formula you can find the answer. Next, find the rate. To find the rate, question number 2, to find the rate, principal is given 3500, time is given 4 years and simple interest is given 1400. Okay. So here also simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. So you have to find the rate, right? So you just keep it rate, then bring all the other side. So R equals to, if you multiply simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. So this is the formula for to find the rate. Okay. So what is the simple interest? Simple interest is given 1400 multiplied by 100 divided by principal is given 3500 multiplied by time is given 4. Okay. So 2 0 will get cancelled. 7 2 are 7, 5 are 2 cancel, and if you cancel by 5, 5 into 20 and 2 how many? 10. So how much? 10%. The rate of interest is 10%. So here we will be applying, to find the rate we will be applying this formula. Okay. So this formula is also derived from this, because if you bring it to the other side it will be multiplied with simple interest and principal and time will come to the denominator. So you will get the rate. Similarly, to find the time, next question. Question number 3, Roman number 1. Principal is given rupees 4500, rate is given 7.5% and simple interest is given rupees 1500. Okay, so here also from the simple interest only will derive the formula P into R into T by 100. So you just leave it T. So if you bring it to the other side, simple interest multiply by 100, and this will come in the denominator P into R. So by using this formula you can find the time. So simple interest is given 1500 multiply by 100 divide by principal is given 4500 multiply by 7.5. Okay, so first we'll cancel this one. So 15 3s are 45. Okay, so if you multiply by 75, okay, we can convert this one 100 3 into this can be written 75 by 10. So this 10 will move in the numerator. Okay, this 10 will move to the numerator. This 10 will move to the numerator, so it will be written as 100 multiplied by 10, 3 into 75. So 7, how many time? Sorry, 5, 20, 5, 15. Again 5 3s are 5 2s are. So this will become 80, and here it will become 9. So 80 divided by 9. 80 divided by 9. So if you divide 80 by 9, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 9 8s are 72. Again 8. So if you take decimal 0 9 8 is 72. Okay, let me see. It is given in mixed fraction or question number 3, 4.4 years. Question number 3, 4.4 years. It is given in decimal. Okay, it is given in decimal. Question is correct, right? Question number 3 and 1500, and this is given 4500. So 80 by 9. This is given 4 by 4. 3 3 is 9. Oh, sorry, this is 20 into 2 is 40, right? This is 40. 40 divided by 9, so it will become 4.4 years. Okay, 20 into 2 is 40. I have written 80 by mistake. Okay, clear? So we will get so we will replace the value. Simple interest is given 1500 multiplied by 100 divided by principal is given 4500 multiplied by rate is given 7.5. So both the zeros will get cancelled. 15 1s are 15 3s are. Okay, so now this can be written as 100 by 3 multiplied by, this can be written as 75 by 10 because this is given in decimal. So this 10 will move in the numerator. So 100 multiplied by 10 divided by 3 into 75. So if you divide by 5, 5 how many times? 5 15s are 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 20. So 20 into 2 is 40. So 40 divided by how much? 3 3s are 9. So it will be 40 divided by 9. So it will become, if you divide by 4, it will be 4.4 years. So if you divide 40 divided by 9, you will get 4.4 years. Clear? Moving to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Principal is given 2800. Rate is given 15%, time is given 10 years. Okay. So you have to find simple interest and amount. So for the simple interest, we have the formula P multiplied by 100 into T divided by 100. So first we will find the simple interest. Principal is given 2800 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. 2 0 will get cancelled. So you have to multiply this. If you multiply, what you will get? 28 multiplied by 15. 420 and into 10 you will get 4200 rupees as an interest. Okay, if you submit 2800 at the rate of 15%, after 10 years it will become 4200 rupees. Is it 4200 rupees? So you have to find the amount. Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. So principal is given 2800 plus 4200. So in return, how much you will get? This will become 8 9 10 617 rupees 7000 in return. After 10 years you will get 7000 in return. Okay, if you pay how much rupees? 2800 rupees. Okay, clear? These are all same, simple interest. Okay, let me do one more. Question number, let me do Roman number 3. Okay, 3 is given in days. So principal is given rupees 3135 and rate is given 3% and time is given how much? 73 days. So you have to convert into year. Okay, so in how many days are there in a year? 365. So if you cancel, it will be 5 times. So 73 into 5 is how much? 15, 35, 36, 365 days. So if you cancel it, you will get 1 by 5. So time is 1 by 5 years. Okay, so first we will find the simple interest. So simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. So principal is given 3135, rate is given 3%, time is given 1 by 5 divided by 100. Okay, so first we will try to cancel this. If you cancel it by 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 25, 7s are 35. Okay, next you can cancel it by you cannot cancel it anymore. So multiply by 3, you will get 100. This is 21, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6 are 18. So if you divide by 100, how much you will get? You will get 18.81 as a simple interest. You will get how many rupees? 18.81 rupees in 73 days. So what will be the amount? What will be the amount? Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. Principal is given 3135 plus amount simple interest is given 81. So if you add it, you will get 818. This will be 3 3415. How much rupees? 3153.81 rupees. Okay, in return after how many days? 73 days. This is given in month, 9 month. So you have to convert it into year. So month to year you have to divide by how much? 12. So in a year how many months are there? 12 months, right? So you have to divide by 12. Okay, try to do it by yourself. Next we have, what sum would yield an interest of 360 in 4 years at 3% per annum? What sum would yield an interest? So simple interest is given. Question number 5, simple interest is given rupees 360. Time is given 4 years. 4 years and rate of interest is given 3%. So what will be the principal? You have to find the principal. So we know to find the principal, what is the formula? Simple interest into 100 divided by rate into time. So by using this formula you can find the principal. So what sum would yield an interest? For what principal you will get 360 rupees as interest in 4 years if the interest rate is 3%. So simple interest is given 360 multiplied by 100, rate of interest is 3, time is given 4. So if you divide, this will be 25, and if you divide, it will be 12, 120. So 120 multiplied by 25, how much you will get? 3000 I think. 120 multiplied by 25, it will be 3000. Okay, it will be 3000 rupees. Clear? It will be 3000 rupees. If the principal is 3000 rupees, then you will get an interest of 360 if you keep it for 4 years at a rate of interest 3%. Question number 8.4, this is question number 5. Question number 5, 3000, correct. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 is given, at what rate percent per annum will 2500 amount to rupees 3300 in 4 years? Okay. What is the rate of interest? At what rate percent per annum will 2500 amount to this? This is principal, this is amount in 4 years. Okay. So amount is given, principal is given rupees. Principal is given rupees, how much? 2500. Amount is given rupees 3300 rupees, and time is given 4 years. So you have to find the rate of interest. So we know that amount equals to simple interest plus principal, right? Or principal plus simple interest, same thing. So simple interest is, what is the formula? P multiply R into T by 100 plus P and amount. So you just replace the value. Amount is given 3300, principal is given 2500, rate is not given, time is given 4 divided by 100 plus 2500. Okay, so 20 will get cancelled. You bring this to the other side, 3300 minus 2500, and 25 into 4 is 100 into R. Okay, so if you subtract, what you will get? You will get 800. How much? 800. So 100 into rate. So shift this 100 to the other side, it will divide because 100 is multiplying with R. So if you bring it to the other side, it will divide. So what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 8%. So rate of interest will be 8%. Clear? Next question number, this is question number 6. At what rate percent annum will 1400 yield an interest of 70 in 2 years? At what percent? Okay. At what rate percent annum will 1400 yield an interest of 70 rupees? Okay. The principal is given 1400 and the interest is given 70 and time is given 2 years. So what will be the rate of interest? So you try to apply the formula for rate of interest. Okay. Next we have question number 8. In what time will 4000 amount to this if the simple interest is calculated at 16%? Okay, let me do question number 8. Question number 8, at what amount? Okay, principal is given rupees 4000. Amount is given how much? Rupees 5120, and the rate of interest is given, 16%. So you have to find the time, in what time, okay, in what time. If you submit 4,000 at a rate of interest of 16%, after how many years it will become 15120. So here we will be applying what formula? Time formula. So time equals to, what was the formula? Simple interest. Simple interest is not given, right? So simple interest is not given. So here amount. What is the formula for amount? Amount principal plus simple interest. So amount is given 5120, principal is given 4000 plus P into R into T by 100, right? So shift this to the other side. 5120 minus 4000 is equal to, what is the principal? Principal is 4000, rate is given 16, time we don't know, and this is 100. So if you subtract, you will get 1120 equals to 20, you get cancel. So if you multiply 14 to 16 into T, right? So shift this to the other side, it will divide, it will come to the denominator. So what will be the time? 0 0 will get cancelled. 4 how many time? 4 2s are 8, 32, 4 8s are 32. Okay, so if you divide by 4 4s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So time is equals to 7 by 4, or if you divide it, you will get 3 by 4 years. Okay, 3 by 4 years. Time is, if you convert it into mixed fraction, it will become 3 by 4 years. So let me see what is the answer. 3 by 4. Okay, the correct answer is 3 by 4 years. Okay. Moving to the next question, question number 9. A sum amount to 7,220% simple interest per annum after 4 years. Find the sum. So here you have to find the principal. A sum amount to this, amount is given, rate of interest is given, time is given, you have to find the principal. Okay, so here what we have to do, question number 9, amount is given rupees, 7,200 and rate is given 20% and time is given 4 years. So we know that amount equals to principal plus simple interest. So amount is given 7,200, principal we don't know. Here principal we don't, P into R into T by 100. Principal we don't know, right? But rate and in time we know it. 7200 equals to principal plus P into rate of interest is 20% and time is given 4, divide by 100. So it will become 10 will get cancelled and 2 5s are. So it will become P plus 4P by 5. Okay, and here 7200. So if you take LCM, LCM will become 5. So here denominator will be 1, right? So 1 how many time? 1 5s are. So 5 into P, it will become 5P. 5 1s are. So 1 into 4P is 4P. And here 7200. Bring this 5 to the other side, it will multiply with 7 2 to 5, and here it will become 5P plus 4P is 9P. So bring this 9 to the other side, 7200, 5 divided by 9, P will left, 7 how many times? 7 8s are and 20, 8 5 8s are 40, mean 4,000 rupees. So therefore principal equals to rupees 4,000 rupees. Okay, so what will be the principal? Principal will be 4,000. What happened to this? 4,000 rupees. Okay. Kainath borrowed 2,000 from someone at 8% per annum. After 10 years, he cleared the amount by giving 2,600 cash and a watch. Find the cost of the watch. Kainath borrowed how much rupees? 2,000 rupees from someone at 8% per annum. After 10 years, he cleared the amount by giving 2,600 cash and a watch. Okay, we have to find the amount first. So what is the principal? Principal, how much rupees he gave it to someone? 2,000 rupees. What is the rate of interest? At 8% per annum. For how many years? Time is 10 years. 10 years. So what will be the amount? Amount equals to, so first we will find the simple interest. Simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. So principal is given 2,000 rupees multiplied by R is 8%, time is given 10 divided by 100. If you cancel it, what you will get? 8 2s are 16. How many 0? 2 0. How much rupees he have to return as a interest? As a interest he have to return 1,600 rupees. Okay, 1,600 rupees. Okay, so what will be the amount? Amount will be principal plus simple interest. So he took 26. Principal was 2,000 plus 1,600. So total it will become 3,600 rupees. Okay, he returned how much rupees? 2,600 rupees. So amount returned is 2,600 rupees. So what will be the cost of the watch? So total amount is equals to amount returned plus cost of watch, isn't it? Cost of watch. So total amount is 3,600 and how much return? 2,600 plus cost price of watch or cost of watch. So if you subtract it 36 minus 2,600 rupees, then you will get the cost of watch. So what is the cost? 1,000 rupees. So cost of watch is how much? 3,600 minus this, you will get 1,000 rupees. How much rupees? 1,000 rupees. Okay, the cost of the watch is 1,000 rupees. Fine. Moving to the next question, in how many years will 4,000 yield rupees 11 as interest? Okay, this also you can find it by using the formula to find the time. We'll do question number 12. At what rate percent per annum will a sum of money triple itself in 2 years? Triple mean it will be 3 times. So principal is not given, amount is triple. So here we will take let the principal be P. So amount will be what? 3P, right? 3 times. It will become 3 times. Okay. At what rate percent annum will a sum of money triple itself in 2 years? Time is given 2 years. Triple. Amount will become triple. So time is given how many? 2 years. Is it? 2 years. Okay. Now we know that amount equals to principal plus simple interest. So apply the formula P into R into T by 100. Now whatever you know, you just put it. Amount is given to 3P. Principal is P and here, sorry, this is P. P into, what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest we have to find. Okay, rate of interest you have to find. Time is given 2 years, divide by 100. So this p, you move it to the other side, 3p minus p is equals to p into r. This one you can cancel it, so this will become by 50. So this will become 2p is equals to p into r by 50. So bring it to the other side, it will multiply. Okay, 2p multiplied by 50 equals to p into r. Now what you have to do, if you multiply you will get 100p is equals to p into r. So keep this r here, bring p to the other side, 100p divided by p is equals to r. So p will get cancelled. So what is the rate of interest? 100%. You have to pay 100%, then only the rate of interest would be 100%, then only you will get the amount will become triple in 2 years. Okay, suppose you are paying how much rupees? 100 rupees. In 2 years, after 2 years it should get 300 rupees. So what should be the rate of interest? Rate of interest should be 100%, then only it will become 3 times. Okay. In what time will a sum of money double itself? It is similar to this. Here you have to find the rate and here you have to find the time. Okay, let me do the last one also. Question number 13. So time is not given, the sum, let the principal be p and amount will become how much? 2p, double, it said double. At what time the sum of money double itself? At rate of interest is given 10%. So here same amount equals to principal plus simple interest. Amount is given 2p, here p plus simple interest is a p into r into t by 100. Okay, so shift this to the other side, 2p minus p, here p into rate of interest is given 10% into t divided by 100. 1 0 will get cancelled. Here it will become p into t divided by 10. So 10 you move it to the other side, 10 into p, here p into t. So you have to find the time, right? So bring this p to the other side, it will divide. So 10 into p divided by p equals to t. So p will get cancelled. So time will become how many? 10 years. Time will become 10 years. So if you put some amount like suppose 1000 rupees, so after 10 years it will become double if the rate of interest is 10%. Okay, so that's all from this chapter 8, right? Percentage and its application. Okay, so I hope you understood whatever I told you. Okay, so try to practice by yourself whatever question I have not done, so that it will be more clear. Okay, thank you so much for watching.